If you want to do ECG on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro, first of all, you have to wear this device properly, so we have to put it above this wrist bone. So the wrist bone, in my case, it's available here, and you have to put it like one finger away from this. So the sensors must be like one finger away. So that's the wrist bone. There's my finger. These are the sensors. Now, you have to also wear it properly. And now go for the ECG. If you are using this for the first time, you will have to accept all of those permissions. And also in your application, you have to go for the health monitoring. For ECG, and just make sure that you are gonna grant all of those permissions. And here, if you got the active button at the top, you will have to also turn it on. And now you have to just put your finger on this button and just hold it all the time. You should actually avoid talking during this. You should actually rest and wait for a final result. So as you can see, it will take like 30 seconds. Of course, in my case, it will be not that correct because I'm talking and I'm just lifting my hand. So the best scenario is when you put your hand on the surface, and now you should find your result. And that's basically how it looks. Below you can find some symptoms, you can add them manually, and that's all for this video.